Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve the AS paper 32 of November 2021. So here is your paper. Okay, now this is this is the insert, and this is a trial balance of LCPLC provided the following summarized trial balance 31st December 2020 after the draft gross profit had been calculated. Depreciation for the year had already been charged. Okay. Now answer the following questions in the question paper. Questions are printed here for reference only. Okay. Calculate the draft profit for the year based on trial balance figure. So first we have to calculate the draft profit. The draft profit is going to be calculated by using these figures. Okay. Okay. Now, see, this is gross profit, administrative expense, distribution cost, finance cost. Gross profit minus these three expenses, and we will get the draft profit. Okay, so see, gross profit. So how much was the gross profit? Okay. I'm sorry. Now, the amount of gross profit is 96,200 dollar. 96,200 less in administrative expense. Less expense. Now, so administrative expense, how much? We have administrative expenses 37,200. 37,200. Okay, less distribution cost. Distribution cost, that would be how much? 19,405 less financials. This is 4,410. 4,400. Okay. So drafted profit. How much? So drafted profit how much? Drafted profit how much? 96,200 minus 37,200 minus 19,405. My calculator is not working properly today. What's wrong, my child? Okay. 96,200 minus 37. All this calculator is creating trouble today. 96,200 minus 37,200 minus 19,405 minus 4,410. 35,185 is your drafted profit. 35,185 is your drafted profit. Get it, my point clear? Okay. Okay. Now, class, after this drafted profit, we have to, the following took place on December 31st, 2020 after trial balance had been prepared. Okay, these are the additional information available. Okay, what we have to do next? Calculate the corrected profit for the year ended 31st December 2020. Start your calculation with your answer in A. Now, answer in A was drafted profit. Drafted profit was dollar. Was 39,685. $39,685. Okay. Now, what happened? You have to be very much careful. Allow me to show the insert. C class. Okay. I am deleting these. You know that the company, first step, we have to be very much careful about these two things. This amount and this amount. Okay. Now see what happened actually. The premises was revalued. Okay, I'm not going to discuss it over here. The thing we have to be very much careful is, let's see, you have to go back. Okay. Now here, fixture and fitting costs 27,600 and provision for depreciation 27,600 minus 5520. This is 22,080. The carrying cost of fixture and fitting is 22,080. Got it? Okay. Now, the future expected cash flow, if we sell or recoverable amount, is 22,300. So again, the same thing which we follow in inventories, lower of cost or NRV. So the cost, carrying cost is lower than the NRV or recoverable amount. So we are not going to change the amount of this. We did not, the company did not sustain any loss here because the carrying cost is $22,080 and the recoverable cost in the future is 22,300. So don't touch it. Now go back. Check this. Motor vehicles. It's cost 18,000 and provision for depreciation is 7875. 18,000 minus 7875. The answer is 10,125. The carrying cost of this asset is 10,125. Acha, what about the NRV or the recoverable amount is 9,200. So we have sustained a loss of 925 on impairment. Are you getting my point clear? We are not going to touch fixture and fitting because the carrying cost is lower than the recoverable cost. But here for motor vehicles, the carrying cost is higher than the recoverable cost. That is from 925. So there is a loss on impairment. So we have to deduct over here less loss on impairment. That is how much? 9, 9, 25. Getting my point clear? The second thing, again, we are going here. Okay. Additional is also. Is 150. The bank informed that his account was being debited with 120 in relation to a dishonored check from a credit customer, and with 150 and 110 for bank charges and bank interest. It is going to be deducted less bank charges and okay. The total bank charges and interest would be how much? 150 and 110, 260. So we have to deduct over here 260. Done? Okay. Next is again go to the question. Sorry, the adjustments. This is bonus share. Okay. General reserve. Okay. Devaluation. 5,000 compensation to customer arising from the use of damaged goods sold to them by the company. Okay. So this compensation is going to be deducted over here, less compensation or provision for compensation. Less provision or compensation. This is 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Okay. What's next? Anything else? Oh, this one. It was discovered that the trial balance figure include values arising from the supply of goods to a credit customer on sale and return basis. The customer had not declared the intention to buy the goods. They were including sales at a value of 4,600 and an original cost of 2,100. So there is a loss of 4,600 minus 2,100. That is 2,500. Okay, because we have not yet decided, the customer has not yet decided, so we are going to return it, deduct it over here, sale or return goods. Sale or return goods. How much? 2,000. Done? So the corrected profit would be, yeah, corrected. How much? 39,685 minus 9. Again, my calculator is disturbing to me. 36,000, 39,685 minus 920, 925 minus 260 Today my calculator is not in a mood to work with me. This is the problem. So I'm going to use my cell phone calculator. Okay. This is 39,685 minus 925 minus 260 minus 5,000 minus 2,500. The answer would be 31,000. Corrected profit. Yes, here we'll write dollar 31,000. Done. This is done. Oh, prepare a statement of financial position. Yes. So we have to make a statement of financial position over here. Okay. Now start with first heading, non-current assets. First heading. Okay. We have a total non-current assets we have 200,000 $200,000 is the value of premises, but it has increased to 244,000 after revaluation. Okay, done. So what we are going to do, premises 244,000, premises $244,000. This is our second column. Now, second. Okay. Now, fixtures and fittings, we have to take on the carrying value. 27,600 minus 5520. Okay. 27,600 minus 5520. This is 22,080. Okay. Fixtures and fitting. Fixtures and fittings. How much? 22,080. Okay. Now, last is motor vehicles. Motor vehicles, we have to take it on the recoverable amount. That was 9,200 motor vehicles. $9,200. Okay. So altogether we have total non-current assets. In the second column, total non-current assets would be how much if we add them? This is okay. 244,000 plus 22,080 plus 9,200, 2,75,280. 2,75,280. $280. This is non-current assets. Getting my point here? Okay. Now, okay. Now, adding current assets. We have two types of current assets here: inventory and trade receivables. Now, if we go to the inside again, we will find inventory 6212, but we have to be careful because there is an adjustment of inventory which sorry, which says this one. The cost of inventory of that good which was sold on sale and return basis and the customer has not yet given the decision, this inventory is going to be added in the ending inventory. So after which we are going to report it. How much? See, this is 2,100 plus the original amount of inventory in the question, 6212. 6212. 8,312 would be reported over here. 8,312. Okay, what about trade receivables? Again, we have to go to insert. Trade receivable is how much? 25,400. Okay. Any adjustment for trade receivables? Yes. This one. This one. I'm deleting. This 120 is dishonored. Check means our receivable is increased by 120. And this sale, 4,600. We can't add. 20,920 is the amount of trade receivable. 20,920. We are going to report. Okay. 20,920. Okay. So total current assets would be reported in the second column. Total current assets. They are, yeah, 20,920 plus 8,312, 29,232. Okay. And we can now easily calculate total assets over here by adding current and non-current assets. First we add, then we write the name. Plus 275,280. 304,512. 304,512 total assets. Done. I'm going to put a double line because the other side should be equal to this total assets. Now, next heading, current liabilities. Okay. What's wrong with my laptop? Current liabilities. The heading. So we are going to report current liabilities here. We have current liabilities C. Why I'm moving there, we have to move to insert. Now current liabilities, we have We have trade payable 16,200. Okay, 16,200. Okay, and 5,000. Okay. What about bank? Oh. I'm deleting. 11,200. This is our bank amount. But I think we have to change this amount. 11,200. Okay. Move to adjustments. Minus 120. Minus 150. Minus 110. That makes 10,000. 820. Uh, the total 120. I don't know. And is how much? 11,200 minus 120 minus 150 minus 110, and so now bank amount is where we are. Sorry. No, the next one. No. Now current liabilities we have trade payables. Trade payables. Okay, then bank, and then compensation, provision for compensation. Okay. Now trade payables we have how much? That is 11,000, 16,200. 16,200. 16,200. Acha, bank is 11,580 and provision for compensation 5,000. So altogether, total liabilities we have total liabilities we have 16,200. 16,200 plus 11,580 plus 5,000, 32,780. Okay, 32,780 total current liability. Oh, sorry, I have to rectify. This is total current. Now heading, you have to write heading. Long-term liabilities. Again, we are moving to inside. Oh, long-term liabilities. Oh, long-term bank loan 50,000. Yes. Long-term bank loan. Bank loan. I think it's the only liability, no? Long-term. Yes, it's the only liability. This is 50,000. Okay. Now bank loan. Okay. Two liabilities. Now the third heading. That is equity. The last heading. First, yes, share capital. Now go to insert and see share capital. Allow me to delete these. Now, share capital is not 100,000 only. We have given some bonus issue as well. So 100,000 plus 110,000. So shareholders equity, share capital is, we'll report it over here, 100 and, sorry, 110,000. Done? Okay. What else? Go to Insight and check what else. Okay. Now come to retained earnings. Oh my God, oh my God. 54,732. Retained earnings 54,732. Okay. 54,732 plus 31,000 corrected profit. 85,732. Okay. Now, oh, we have to go back. Huh. Now, these two dividends, 7,000 and 5,000 minus 7,000 and 5,000 two dividends. Okay. Okay. 14,000 general reserve minus 14,000 general reserve. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Okay. And 10,000 for bonus. 49,732 is the amount of retained earning to be reported in balance sheet. Retained earnings. How much? 49,732. Okay. Retained earnings. Okay. What else? What else? Final dividend, share capital, retained earnings, receivable bank premises. Oh, yes. Revaluation reserve. Now, see, premises was 200,000 minus 4,000 provision for depreciation, that is 196, and it became 244,000. The value, it means 48,000 is the revaluation reserve. Okay. Okay. Revaluation reserve. $48,000. Again. Now, next is general reserves. 14,000. Okay, so altogether equity is how much? Okay. Total equity is how much? Hmm. 110,000 plus 49,732 plus 48,000 plus 14,000. This is 221,732. 221,732. Okay. Now We can write it here, total equities. See, 32 total current liabilities, 32,780 plus 50,000 plus 221,732. 304,512. Oh, yes, it's equal to total assets. Good. 304,512. Yes, it's balanced, yeah. An accountant gets is much happier when he got an agreed balance sheet than getting married. Okay, done. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. What is the next question? Okay, we did this. We have done. We got 17 marks. We got 5 marks. What about this? Explain how your treatment of the bonus issue might have been different if the trial balance had contained a balance of $8,000 on share premium account. In case we have a share premium account, we will definitely settle. Our retained earning is not going to be decreased by 10,000, but it will be decreased by only 2,000. Okay. So that's a theoretical question. Move to the next question. AB Club, non-profit organization. 200 members who pay an annual subscription of $100 each. It provides social facilities to its member and also rents and operates 2 vending machines. To sell soft drinks to members. The statement of financial position 30th June 2020, following assets and liabilities. Okay. Equipment valuation, furniture, subscription in areas, bank balance, cash, inventory of soft drink owing to suppliers of drink. The following information are available. Okay. Let's see what we have to do. Calculate the profit from vending machines for the year ended 30th June 2021. 5 marks. Okay. Now, okay. All takings, this is very important point. This point. This point is very important for first requirement. Okay. All takings from the vending machine are in cash. Some are used to pay club expenses and some are paid to the bank. Soft drinks are sold at a markup of 100%. Okay. The inventory of soft drink, yes, this is also important. On 30th June 2021 was valued at 490 at selling price. On that date, the amount owing to suppliers of soft drink was 305. Cash in hand on 30th June, okay. Rent of vending machine. This is also important. Payment to suppliers of soft drinks. This is also important. These are the important points in calculating the first requirement. Okay, so we have to be careful. Okay. Okay, here we are. Calculate the profit from vending machine. Okay, see. Now, sales, we don't know. Give heading, cost of sales. Okay. Now, cost of sales, inventory, beginning inventory. How much? Beginning inventory is how much? Beginning inventory is 210. 210. Now purchases. Now, because we are not given the amount of purchases here, we have to calculate amount of purchases. Oh, sorry. We have to calculate the amount of purchases using these values. See, now payment to suppliers of soft drinks. How much? 12,600 plus uh, this amount. Amount going to supplier at end of the year, 30th June 2021, 305 plus 30. Okay. Next, going to suppliers at the start of the year, we are going to deduct 209. Sorry, 290. 12,615 is the amount of total purchases. Are you getting my point clear? What's wrong? 12,615 is the amount of total purchases. $12,650. Okay. Now, inventory, that is inventory, again, inventory ending. We write over here at start and we write at end. This is how much? Ending inventory is given how much? Ending inventory is, I think it's not given. Yeah, we have to calculate. Ending inventory 490. 490 divided by 2 because inventory at selling price divided by 2 because 100% markup is 245. 245 is the amount of ending inventory. And we'll get the amount of cost of sales. The amount of cost of sales is how much? This is 210 plus 12,615 minus 245, 12,580 multiply by 2. Double the amount, 100% markup. So sales is how much? 25,160. Minus cost of sales. May I keep it in brackets so we remember we have to do that. And we'll get the gross profit. How much? 25,160 minus 12,580. So 12,580 is the amount of gross profit. Gross profit 12,580. Okay. Less that expense, vending machine rent, I think something is there. Let me check. Yes, rent of vending machine 6,000. Of vending machine. This is 6,000. So profit from here is the profit 6,580. Done. And mashallah, we got 5 marks. Okay. Now calculate the for the year ended 30th June 2021 the value of subscription received and banked. Second item. Okay. Now see, uh, there are 200 members. Here it is. Here we are. There are 200 members, and each member is paying $100 each. So total membership we received is $20,000. But one thing, here are the areas, and there were no areas of subscription at end 2021. It means we have received this 400 also. We have received this 400 also. And 3 members had paid in advance. 3 members means $300 we have received in advance. So altogether we have, okay, move to the answer. Okay. Subscription received would be 200 members multiply by $100 fees. $100 that would make the amount $20,000. Okay, then we received subscription in areas 400 and advanced subscription would be 300. So total subscription we received would be 20,700. 20,000 subscriptions. Total subscription 20,700 is the total subscription we received. Got it? Okay. 20,700. Done. What next? Cash taking banks. Cash taking bank. Okay. Now, for calculating the missing figure of bank, that was we were asked cash taking banks. Okay. We have to make a T account for bank. Getting my point clear? We have to make a T account for bank. Okay. Or we can calculate using calculator as well. Okay. So what we do? Opening cash balance 1420. I love to make a T account. And cash in bank. Or you can write it over here. Now, On the debit side, opening balance BD, how much? Dollar, how much? Bank balance 1420. 1,400. Now, what we paid from the bank, what we paid from the bank, 36,460. Payments 34. That was how much? We paid from the bank 34,460. 34,460 payments. Okay. This is the closing balance of bank, 2,290. Balance CD. How much? It was 2,290. Now we can easily calculate cash takings. Cash back. How? Get the total over here. This is 34,460 plus 2,290. 36,750. 36,750. 36,750 minus opening balance 1,420. 35,000. 35,000. Okay. One thing is left. I'm sorry. Subscription, yeah. I forgot subscription. Subscription. Subscription were 20,700. Now we can come to the missing figure of cash. This is 34,460. 60 plus 2,290. 36,007. 36,750. Minus opening balance 1420 minus subscription 20,700, and we will get the amount total 60 minus 1420 minus 26,460. So, uh, 16,630. 16,000. This was the amount required. This is the amount. This is the amount. Now, club expenses paid by cash. Again, a missing figure. Club expenses 5140 is paid from the bank. Okay. And okay, so I think we must make a T account for cash. Okay. We are making a T account for cash. Cash. Now see opening balance. 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 Balance BD of cash is how much? Yeah, balance BD of cash. Allow me to delete this 180. Okay, and vending machine in cash. That was 26,000, 25,160. Okay, huh? So balance BD here, dollar. 180. Sales 25,160. 5,160. Okay. Cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank was how much? Slow to have 16,630. 16,000. Now, what is left? Cash expenses. Expenses. So, oh, sorry. One thing is left, yeah. I don't know what's wrong with my laptop. Yeah. So what to have? Balance CD. Closing balance of cash is how much? Now, we can calculate the missing figure. 180 plus 25 plus 60. 180 plus 25 and 60. 25 340, 25,340 minus 16,630 minus 150. So expenses is 8,560. 8,560. This was the amount required in this question. Okay, we have earned 4 marks. Okay, what is left? 95,000. 95,000. Done? Okay. Oh, income and expenditure. Now, first of all is subscription. Subscription is very easy, 20,000. And profit from vending machine. That was 6,850. Yeah? We have already calculated. 6,800. 580. 500. So total income 26,580. 26,000. Now come to the expenditures. Okay. Now come to expenditures. Rent of the premises. 12,000. Rent. Dollar. Second is club expenses. Now come to club expenses. 5140. Okay. And allow me to delete all these things. 5140 we have paid, and 8,560 we paid from cash. This one. This one. 8,560. Here it is. 8,560. 8,560 plus what is given in the question? 5140. 514. 13,700 is the amount of total club expenses. 13,700 total expenses. Okay. What else? Cash in hand. 30th inventory 1,500 and 1,700. Okay, let's see. Equipment valuation is 2,100 minus 1,700. So depreciation is 400 for equipment, and for furniture, at valuation 1,050 is the opening value of furniture. Okay. Purchase of new furniture 720 plus 1,770 and ending minus 50. So 270 is the amount of depreciation. Okay. So depreciation 400. And furniture 270. Okay. So total expenses, total expenditure, how much? 12,000 plus 13,700 plus 400 plus 270. 26,370. 26,370. I should keep it in bracket. Now surplus, very small amount of surplus, but surplus 26,580. 210 is the amount. Done. What next? Question 3. Okay, now we have to calculate. Uh, they have to buy or not. Now it's up to your decision. More vending machine means more soft drinks to sell, sale will increase. But we have to pay the rent of vending machine as well, maintenance cost, etc. So it's up to you. You have to decide and you have to give the justified answer. Okay, that's all for today. Uh, Inshallah, the next question will be solved. Next 4 questions are left in this paper. We'll solve 2 questions tomorrow and 2 day after tomorrow, inshallah. So that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz. And remember me in your Shabe Qadr prayers because these are the odd nights of Ramzan are there and we all have to pray. So remember me in your prayers of Shabe Qadr. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.